One peaceful night in Vijayanagar, when the moon was bright and silent, two thieves crept near Tenali Rama's house, whispering plans to steal his gold. The thieves grinned, waiting eagerly for Rama and his wife to sleep.
My dear, I have hidden all our gold in the backyard well. Let's not tell anyone.
As soon as it was quiet, the thieves sneaked to the well and began pulling water out, bucket after bucket, thinking they would soon find gold. But Rama had replaced gold with mud. By dawn, the thieves were exhausted. Tenali walked out with guards, pretending to be shocked.
You two worked so hard. Shall I reward you, or arrest you? You tried to steal my gold, but I made you draw my well clean. Hard work never goes unpaid.
The thieves laughed at their own foolishness, and from that day,
Thank you for watching.